Earlier today, Asheville Humane Society, Buncombe County Health and Human Services, and the Animal Services Division under Buncombe County Sheriff's Department all responded to a situation of suspected cat hoarding at a Buncombe County residency. We always work in conjunction with animal service officers to just do what is the best for the animals and the citizens. And so when they contacted us yesterday to inform us of that, they also said that they may need some assistance on scene to contain the cats and actually transport them back. When we arrived on scene, initial reports were there were over 60 cats actually in this house, but when we went through, we felt there was only about a dozen. After searching the house and confining the cats and kittens that we were able to find, we actually only found 19. That was 10 adult cats and 9 kittens. Unfortunately, the house itself was not kept in very healthy condition. There was some urine-covered floors and feces and other, just unfortunately, if you've ever seen some of the hoarding shows on television, it's similar to that. Just unhealthy conditions both for the cats and the residents. After we caught the cats, we loaded them into our van, and then we brought them back here to the Buncombe County Animal Shelter, where initially the first thing we wanted to do, we were concerned about the kittens, like this little one here. There were kittens ranging from just under a week of age up to about 4 weeks of age, like this one. And so the first thing we needed to do was really get them in, have our veterinarian assess them to make sure that, that they were doing okay, that they weren't dehydrated, that, they get some food because they have been away from mom for a while. Once we entered the residency, of course, mom ran and hid, so it took some time to find her. We brought them back. When we brought them back, we also have to photograph them and document them coming into the Buncombe County Animal Shelter so we can keep the medical records attached to them as well, so we know, the status of the cats and kittens. Since it is an ongoing investigation with Animal Services, the cats really, Asheville Humane Society's role is to maintain the health and well-being of the cats and kittens while they stay at the Buncombe County Animal Shelter. So our staff will be feeding, cleaning, caring for them while they're here. The case has to be completely over before we will know what legally can happen with the cats as far as when we can get them into new homes. One of the things that we really want to focus on in this situation is not so much that this person did something terrible or anything to the animals. The unfortunate part is, a lot of times people just don't know when to ask for help. And the multi-agency effort today was to help both the animals and the citizen involved.